जब हौसला रैंक से बड़ा हो तब जेंडर सिर्फ एक वर्ड रह जाता है. टुडे वी ब्रिंग यू टू द स्टोरी ऑफ अ वुमन who didn't just rise through the ranks, she redefined leadership in the Indian Armed Forces. A doctor, a soldier, a 3-star general, a trailblazer. This is the extraordinary journey of Lieutenant General Dr. Madhuri Kanitkar, PVSM, AVSM, and BSM. Lieutenant General Dr. Madhuri Kanitkar is a retired 3-star general officer of the Indian Army Medical Corps. She holds the distinction of being the third woman in the history of the Indian Armed Forces to achieve the prestigious rank of Lieutenant General. But her identity goes far beyond rank. She is a distinguished pediatrician, a strategic defense medical leader, a policy maker, and today the Vice Chancellor of Maharashtra University of Health Sciences. A rare blend of science, service, and strength. Dr. Madhuri Kanitkar is an alumna of the legendary Armed Forces Medical College, AFMC Pune, a cradle of military medical excellence. AFMC is known not just for academic rigor, but for instilling discipline, leadership, and service before self. Choosing AFMC meant choosing a life where medicine meets the battlefield. From the very beginning, she walked a path few dared to take, a woman preparing for leadership in a male-dominated military ecosystem. As a pediatrician, Lieutenant General Kanitkar dedicated her life to the health of children both in peace zones and conflict areas. Her career spans military hospitals, field postings, high-pressure operational environments. She rose through ranks not by shortcuts but through clinical excellence, administrative brilliance, and unshakable integrity. In the armed forces, promotions don't come with privilege. They come with proof of leadership under pressure. And she proved it again and again. Reaching the rank of Lieutenant General is rare. Reaching it as a woman in the Indian Armed Forces history, that's historic. She became only the third woman ever to wear the 3-star insignia. Her appointment sent a powerful message: leadership has no gender, excellence has no bias. She later served as Deputy Chief of Integrated Defense Staff in Medicals. In this role, she was responsible for Tri-Services Medical Coordination, that is including Army, Navy, and Air Force all three, Defense Medical Policy, and Strategic Health Preparedness. This is national level responsibility where decisions impact thousands of lives and national security. Another historic milestone. Lieutenant General Dr. Madhuri Kanitkar and her husband, Lieutenant General Rajiv Kanitkar, became India's first 3-star military couple. Two individuals, two distinguished careers, one shared commitment to the nation. This achievement shattered stereotypes around dual career marriages, women balancing family and uniform, equality in leadership. Their journey proves that partnership can amplify power, not limit it. After retirement from active military service, she did not slow down. Today, she serves as the Vice Chancellor of Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, MUHS. Here she continues her mission by reforming medical education, mentoring future doctors, integrating discipline, ethics, and service mindset. From battlefield medicine to academic leadership, her journey has come full circle. Lieutenant General Dr. Madhuri Kanitkar's life teaches us that excellence creates its own path. Gender is never a limitation, mindset is. Leadership is about responsibility, not power. Service to the nation can take many forms. For women aspirants, defense candidates, medical students, young leaders, she is living proof that dreams backed by discipline can rewrite history. यूनिफॉर्म या स्टेथोस्कोप, जब इरादे मजबूत हो तो हर फील्ड बैटलफील्ड बन जाती है और हर चैलेंज विक्ट्री। लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल माधुरी कनितकर didn't wait for permission to lead. She earned it. Her journey reminds us the nation doesn't need perfect people, it needs courageous ones. If her story inspired you, like this video, share it with aspirants and comment salute for a woman who changed history. Jai Hind.